Welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Today's topic mean term and max term. Okay, so go for it. Continuation part of the previous session, it is the mean term. Okay, so first identify the mean terms for which the output variable is 1 and then do the logical OR of those mean terms in order to get the Boolean expression function corresponding to that output variable. Okay, so this rule should be applied and we describe this rule with an example. Okay, so go for an example. Now we consider this truth table. Okay, there are three variables are there, x, y, z, and we consider a function f, and we have just described the function's result from this truth table, and this is the function, or we can say this is the result actually, and from there we find out the mean term of the Boolean expression. And how we can find out the Boolean expression? And we are find out the Boolean expression using the mean term actually. That the rule is, I am already told that in the result or in the function where 1 is appear, this particular position we take the mean term value. Means the rest of the position where the 0 came, this position value is not treated in the mean term. So for this example, we already know this position is M0, this position is M1, this position is M2, this position is M3, this position is M4, M5, M6, M7. Now just M3, M5, M6 and M7, this position, the 1 appear. Okay, that means this position's value is taken as a mean term value for the Boolean expression is concerned. So what will be the expression result? If we write f equal to, so m3, so what will be the value from there? It should be x complement dot y dot z plus this position will be x dot y complement dot z plus this position means x dot y dot z complement, and the last position x dot y dot z. Why? Because same way when 1 the value of the variable, in that case the variable will be normal, and when the variable value is 0, in that case the variable will be complement. So we take this example just. So what we write that x complement dot y dot z. Why? Because x is 0, 0 means complement for mean term is concerned. So x complement, and this is a product term, that's why dot y is 1 means normal and z is also 1, that's why it's a normal, and in that way the rest of the value should be written. Okay, now this expression can also be represent like that: f equal to m3 plus m5 plus m6 plus m7. Okay, this equation can also written in different form also. How? F equal to summation small m and write this number only 3, 5, 6, 7 means this position number actually. Okay, or we can also write in that way also. F equal to summation, don't need to write this small m, just write the position value. Okay, or we can write in that way, any one you can write for that case. Means this is a 3 variables concern, that's why I am written function x, y, z equal to summation 3, 5, 6, 7 for this example is concerned. Okay, in one equation we represented the function as sum of respective mean terms. Okay, now for the max term, what is the rule? First, identify the max terms of which the output variable is 0, and then do the logical AND of those max term in order to get the Boolean expression function corresponding to that output variable. Okay, this Boolean function will be in the form of product of max term. Clear? So just take an example. Now this truth table is concerned. So this is the function, means using this variable we got this result. Okay. Now for the max term, what happened? Where the 0 is appear in the result, we get value from there only. Means where 0 is appear, these are the max term. And how we can represent? Using capital M0, M1, M2 in that way. That means this position is M0, this position is M1, this position is M2, this position is M3, this position is M4, this position is M5, this position is M6, this position is M7. But we only took this. Why? Because these 4 position 0 appear. Okay. Now from there we find out the max term of this particular truth table is concerned. So at first this position, so what the value? 0, 0, 0. So it will be x plus y plus z. Okay, dot. Why? Because max term means sum term. Okay, and the expression should be product of the sum. So that's why this is the first term we got. Now the second part, this position is 0, so x, y is 0, and this position is 1. That's why z complement. Means in max term what happened? Where the 0 is appear, it is take normal, and where 1 is appear, it take complement. Okay. Now the third one, so x is 0 means x, plus y is 1 means complement, and z is 0 means normal. And the fourth case, x is 1 means x complement, plus y is normal, y is 0, and z is normal also because it's 0. So this is the Boolean expression. From there we have got that. Okay. We can also represent this function in the following notation: f equal to capital M0 into capital M1 into capital M2 into capital M4. Okay. And also we can write in different way pi capital M, and we write the position only 0, 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Also you can write in that way also, f equal to pi, we just remove this capital M and we just write the position value. Or also you can write in that way, put the variable name x, y, z equal to pi and write the position value. Okay. I hope you have understood this topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical ArcON. So thank you.